Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted videos in Google Photos step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Photos.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that was used to store your videos. Once you're on the Google Photos homepage, open the trash section. This is where recently deleted photos and videos are temporarily stored. Now look through the deleted items and find the video you want to recover. Click to select the video, then click the Restore button at the top of the page. Google Photos will restore the selected video to your library. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once the restore is complete, go back to the Photos section and find your recovered video. Open the video and press the play button to confirm that it has been restored successfully. Recovering deleted videos from Google Photos is quick and easy, as long as the videos are still available in the trash. If a video has been permanently deleted from the trash, it usually cannot be recovered through Google Photos. To help protect your memories, it's a good idea to keep backup enabled so your photos and videos are automatically saved to your Google account. And that's how you can easily recover deleted videos in Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.